My last set, I think I did pretty good, y'all, on these sets. I want to let y'all see it from the side so y'all can see it. So y'all can see how they look from the side. I honestly don't think I did bad, you know? Like, that looks good for somebody to be like starting off or to be somebody that's new, you know? I actually want to do my hands. Right now, what I'm going to do is, I could get this out of the way because I don't need this glue. Is I'm going to take these sets off and we're going to start a fresh new set, y'all. So I like these. I like pointies. I really want to try to work on my coffin, so we're gonna do coffin, but I'm gonna move these to the side. Well, not to the side because I do want to practice on one, but like, y'all look at that. Y'all see that? I think I did really good. So pointy in from the side. I'm gonna customize me some press-ons, honey. I got these C-curve tips, y'all, to help me with taper square, and I like these are extra long tips. So I'm cleaning my brush. Honestly, I really like this brush right here. This brush is like tiny. I don't know the number because right here is taken off, but I made them flat so it will look like a cut crease brush, and I got this one too. So this one is flat. I crimped my brush. Talking to you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to prep these to apply these nail tips. I'm just gonna clip them and I'm going to file them down just slightly, like basically put my file on each nail, just a kiss, and then I'm gonna apply the nails. I think I'm gonna go ahead with these tips. I don't know what tips these is. I think I got these on Amazon some years ago. Y'all already know I used to do nails, but I got these on Amazon some years ago, and I'm gonna try to do taper square. I want to do the pointy ones, the ones I just showed y'all. I want to do another color of pointies with some diamonds or something that's right on it, but I think I'm gonna just do the taper square because that's my hardest one. I really want to get it down pat. We're about to do that. You'll just see it, and I think I'm gonna do a voiceover once I start. All right, y'all, let's start by clipping these nails. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by clipping the fake nails, and we're gonna start by shaping them a little bit so that I can start applying the tips. Once the nails are done being shaped, I'm going to take my drill. This is Kyra's guy. Girl, I don't know. I know the drill in the LED light was super cute, so I had to get it. So I'm going to take my drill and basically just take away that shine on top of the nail so I can apply the tips and they can go on perfectly. Okay, so as I was filing it down with this drill, I felt like the plastic nail beds were not doing it for me, so I had to go back in with a file and just basically just lightly, not too much. I wouldn't do this if it was a client, so they say don't do it if it was a client. I'm a beginner, so I don't know much, but I'm trying to teach myself how to do this. Okay, I love learning new stuff, so yeah, we're gonna do that. After that, I'm gonna apply the tips, and I got these tips from Amazon. We don't know where I got them from, but I got them from Amazon. I think they're coffin shape. Alright y'all, so I'm applying the nail tips and I'm using the KDS glue. What I do know is when you are applying the tips, if they don't fit perfectly, you always go bigger and then clip the end. So that's basically what I did. And all of these nail beds, the thumb is the biggest one, so the other ones I use the same size for basically all of them. I don't know what number, but I did use the same size for all of them to apply the tips. All right, so I'm gonna take my clippers. These are straight clippers, y'all. I did get it wrong the last time that I went up there. I was trying to grab some clippers, but they weren't straight. I thought they were straight, but they wasn't. These are straight clippers. These are good for taper square. I tried to do taper square, but since these are already in a coffin shape tip, it just ended up looking like coffin to me. So we're just gonna go with coffin. So I'm just cutting off the tip just a little bit. I don't really like the numbers, so that's what I'm doing. And then I see a lot of girls on YouTube do this. They shave the nail tip, well, drill the nail tip and make it look like it's all blended into each other. So I honestly like that method. So I'm going to blend the fake nail tip into the natural nail bed. I don't know, I just clapped. But yeah, it looks really good to me. I don't know. Look at that. So now what I'm doing is I'm shaping, y'all. I'm trying to keep my my pal straight. Y'all, that shape though, like I'm a beginner, but look at that shape. I know you lying. Look at that, look at that. Ah! Okay, yeah. And I feel like I'm really getting good with this. Okay. So if y'all want weekly videos on my nail journey, let me know, because I would definitely give y'all videos on it, especially when I'm not doing makeup. I would definitely give nail videos because I don't have to be in the camera. So let me know how that is, because that would definitely work out. When I don't have my hair done, I swear I do not do a tutorial, and most of the time I don't have my hair done, but I be trying. I'm gonna get braids in July. After my birthday month in June, I'm getting braids, y'all. So I ain't gonna have no excuse but to get up. Okay, so I'm gonna do nail videos. If just know that when I do nail videos, my hair isn't done, so I'm giving y'all nail videos. Plus, I do want to practice, and I feel like I did really good on my acrylic. I'm just taking the glitter bell acrylics, and these are color acrylics. But before I do that, I'm gonna take my Valentino dehydration and nail prep before I apply this on, and we're gonna get started. I love how I just polished that on. Y'all see that? Y'all, this nail video was lit. But I tried to do rhinestones and stuff at the end, but my glue, when Josh used it, it got stuck, so I couldn't really open my glue that I wanted to use. So I had to use the KDS glue. But yeah, I'm gonna take these two. I don't know what made me pick these two Ronald McDonald colors, but baby, it was lit. I kind of know how to do the acrylic, but I be want to put one bead in the middle, right where I blended the natural nail tip and the real nail tip. I be want to put one bead and let it drop all the way down to where it molds to the nail and kind of pat on each side. That's what I be trying to do. So with these glitter bell ones, I feel like they are highly pigmented. So when I put it on, it wasn't doing it. It wasn't dropping down for me like I liked it. I had to like put it on and then like kind of smudge it down and mold it to the nail shape, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, watch me mold these nails. I don't want to talk too much. I want y'all to see this. And yeah, if y'all beginner, let me know. And I think after my birthday, I'm going to get my nail license, y'all. I don't have a makeup license because I don't know if it's a license for makeup. You just do makeup, but if it is, let me know. But I don't think so. It's probably just an esthetician license. But I guess when you get that, I don't know if it counts for nails, hair, all of that. I don't know. Let me know if that counts for everything, because I would love to do nails. I would love to get license for nails. So yeah, I'm thinking about taking a class, y'all. And if y'all want to support, and give me some coins to do it, let me know in the description right below. I mean in the comments, sorry. But yeah, y'all let me know, because I want to do nail tech school, so I think I'm gonna do that because I feel like I'm getting it. And then look, you thought that I was a pro doing this, okay? But yeah, y'all just keep watching. I'm gonna come back in when it's time to do the shaping part. The acrylic went on real smooth. I really like how it went on, and I didn't do bad. Like this, it's really not my first time because y'all know me starting nails, okay? But honestly, it's my first time starting back, and I'm doing way better than when I first started doing nails years, like 3 years ago, or when I started doing it. Y'all know when I started doing nails. If y'all been here for a long time, y'all know when I started, okay? My biggest inspiration, Taylor May, got me started. Okay, cause I was like, dang, she a triple threat, y'all. She doing nails, she doing hair, she doing makeup and everything. So I'm like, oh, that's so inspiring. I've always played in nails, but I just never took that shit serious. Especially when I was little, I used to always want to do my cousin stuff. Nails, you get the little nail tips back in the day at the beauty supply, but I just never took it serious. And then I'm like, dang, I want to do nails. I want to do them. You know, you just never know what you want to do. And I just wanted to see if I'm good at it. And honestly, I'm doing really good. Like, I love visual learning. Visual learning, that's how I know that I was like, okay, my makeup gonna get better. I'm gonna keep practicing. But visual learning, like when I look at something, don't give me 5 or 2 times to look at it. I'm gonna try to get it the best way I can, y'all. So yeah, I found the nails to the shape. I mean, my shape isn't perfect, but baby, watch. Trust me. Give me a year or 2 and my shape gonna be bomb. Or give me some months, okay? Let me just say that. But I'm just basically smoothing out the nails, and I didn't use the big thing. I don't know what the hell that is called, but buffer. I didn't use the buffer, which I should have, because that does make a difference. I just used alcohol, wiped it off. But these are just nails to play with. And then I'm just adding rhinestones to one finger. And that is it, y'all. If y'all have any inspirations or anything that y'all want to do, go for it, achieve it, and do it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to comment down below. And I'll see y'all.